తెర మీద విలనిజంతో దడపుట్టిస్తారు. కానీ నిజ జీవితంలో ఆయన్ని అందరూ దేవుడంటూ దండం పెడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పటికే అర్థమైపోయి ఉంటుంది నేను ఎవరి గురించి చెప్తున్నానో. హి ఇస్ నన్ అదర్ దాన్ అవర్ రియల్ హీరో సోను సూద్. ఈ రోజు ఎన్టీవీతో మాట్లాడడానికి సోను సూద్ సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నారు. లెట్స్ టాక్ టు హిమ్. నమస్తే సోను సూద్ గారు.
I'm good. How are you doing? Thank you so much.
First of all, let me thank you for all the amazing work till now you did for the needy people. And చాలా మంది మైగ్రెంట్ వర్కర్స్ కి స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫస్ట్ డే హెల్ప్ చేసినప్పటి నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతూ వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తూ మాట్లాడుతూ ఉన్నారు. సో అసలు డైరెక్ట్ గా వెళ్ళి హెల్ప్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది అసలు?
No, thank you so much. I saw those visuals of this farmer with the daughters plowing the field, and I called him in around 10 in the night, and I spoke to him. His name is Nageshwar Rao, and he said, I don't have any money. If you can get me ox or a pair of ox to plow the field, that will be very nice. So then I said, why an ox? I should give him a tractor. So I called my friend in Punjab. I said, I need to send a tractor right away, and tomorrow afternoon I want the tractor to till his fields. And we were able to do it, and now seeing him happy, I think it's one of the most special moments.
Yes, alage most of the people comes to the politics and then help to the people, but our asli hero is a little bit different anamata. మీరు ముందు హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో పాలిటిక్స్ కి వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉందా? అసలు వస్తే బాగున్ను అని చాలా మంది కోరుకుంటున్నారు, ఇలాంటి ఒక మంచి లీడర్ కావాలని.
I don't know, but I feel without getting into politics, I can help people. So not very keen. As an actor, I still need to do a lot of things. I need to do a lot of Telugu movies, a lot of Hindi movies, entertain them as an actor. So politics can happen maybe after 10 years, whenever, if it's bound to happen. And if I feel the need to go into politics at that time, I don't know. But as of now, as an actor, I am enjoying the space.
Yes, we are looking forward for the best time. సోను సూద్ గారు, ఖచ్చితంగా మిమ్మల్ని పాలిటిక్స్ లో చూడాలి. పీపుల్ ఒక మంచి లీడర్ కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారు. మీలాంటి మంచి లీడర్స్ అవసరం చాలా ఉంది. అండ్ చాలా మందికి మైగ్రెంట్స్ కి హెల్ప్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఎప్పటి నుంచో అడుగుదామని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అంటే దగ్గరగా వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడి ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యి యూ హెల్ప్ దెమ్. సో వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు వాట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్? అంటే మీరు దగ్గర నుంచి వింటున్నప్పుడు ఎలా అనిపించింది? ఒక మంచి మెమరీ ఏదైనా మాతో షేర్ చేసుకోండి ప్లీజ్.
There are many memories. When I said that, I remember there was a pregnant lady who was going to Bihar, and somehow in the lockdown, I sent the family to Bihar, and she named her son as Sonu Sood in Darbhanga, then in UP also. So there's a boy in Odisha who named a shop after me. It's called Sonu Sood Welding Workshop.
Wow.
So I feel these moments are very special. They are very touching, and that you have these families now in those states. Tomorrow if I go to Odisha, I would love to visit his welding workshop. If I tomorrow go to Bihar or UP, I would like to see that little Sonu Sood. Tomorrow if I go to Chittoor, I would like to meet Nageshwar Rao and ask him to give me a ride on that tractor. I think these moments will be very special.
ఎస్, ఇట్స్ లైక్ అన్ వండర్ఫుల్ లైఫ్ టైమ్ మూమెంట్ కదా మీకు. అంటే ఒక న్యూ బోర్న్ బేబీకి ఒక మదర్ తన పేరు పెట్టారంటే ఇట్స్ లైక్ వండర్ఫుల్ మూమెంట్ కదా. సో ఆ పర్టికులర్ మూమెంట్లో ఎలా అనిపించింది? అసలు వాళ్ళతో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యారా?
Yeah, of course I spoke to the mother, I spoke to the welding workshop, I spoke to the farmer also, Nageshwar. So I speak to them every day. Almost they send me messages, good morning,
wow,
we are doing this, and the picture of the family. They will send the picture of the little kid. Yes, they do that.
ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు సోను సూద్ ఒక అసలీ హీరో, దాంతో పాటు చాలా పెద్ద ఫ్యామిలీ ఉన్న హీరో. డూ యూ నో అబౌట్ ఇట్? ఇంత పెద్ద ఫ్యామిలీ ఉంది మీకు. హౌ యూ ఫెల్ట్ అబౌట్ ఇట్?
It's very encouraging and inspiring. I remember my mom used to say that always help people even if they don't need you. You should come forward and help them. So I feel all these 100 days of my life, I've been trying to reach out to people and get them back to their homes with their families. And the kind of love that I've got from all over the country and all over the world, it's very encouraging, very inspiring. that inspires me to work harder.
Yes, Sonu Sood ji, I think I hope you are comfortable in Telugu. Is it okay if I speak in Telugu?
Yeah, you can speak in Telugu and maybe one or two words here and there in English you can just translate, but I can understand, yeah.
ఓకే, ఇప్పటివరకు చాలా సినిమాలు చేశారు, సో తెలుగు బాగానే అర్థమవుతుంది అనమాట.
Sorry, the voice broke.
Yes, you did many films in Telugu, so I hope you can understand Telugu, I said.
Yeah, of course, I can understand 80-90%, but you can mix little bit of English also, so just to
Definitely.
get the flavor.
Yes, and social service చేయడం is different and getting into the field అండ్ వాళ్ళతో డైరెక్ట్గా ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యి వాళ్ళ బాధ ఏంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేసి విని వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేయడం అనేది చాలా చాలా డిఫరెంట్. అంటే చాలా మందిని హెల్ప్ చేసిన వాళ్ళని మనం చూసాం, ఇంతకు ముందు మేము చూసాం, కానీ మీరు చేసే హెల్పింగ్ విధానం అంటే ద వే యూ hhelp is like లిటిల్ బిట్ డిఫరెంట్. ఎందుకని అంటే అంత డీప్గా హెల్ప్ చేయాలన్న మైండ్ సెట్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది?
You know, all the migrants are on the roads with the families, with the little kids. So you can't be on the phone and call people, okay, I will send you there, I will send you to Andhra, I will send you to Telangana. You have to go and meet them. You have to make them feel secure, happy. Okay, don't worry, I'm there for you. I'll send you back to your homes. And when you go and meet them, then that's the time they feel very comfortable, and it sends a message also to the entire nation. Okay, it's important to stay at home, stay safe, but you need to come out of your comfort space to help the world. You know, you have to set those examples to everyone that you can't be just sitting at home under ACs and you can just put it on social media that you feel bad seeing all these migrants. You have to come out, help them, create some jobs for them, help them in some medical aid, help them in some education. So everyone has to do their bit.
Yes. And while you're helping the people, కొంతమంది పొలిటికల్ లీడర్స్ కూడా క్రిటిసైజ్ చేశారు. సో ఆ టైంలో ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ని ఎలా తీసుకున్నారు? అంటే యూఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్ ద గుడ్ వర్క్ బట్ ద పీపుల్ స్టిల్ క్రిటిసైజింగ్ యూ ఫ్రమ్ ద పాలిటిక్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. సో హౌ డిడ్ యూ టుక్ ఇట్?
No, that was only for one day. Someone wrote an article that Sonu wants to get into politics or he has got some political support. But that was only for one day, and next day when they again saw me working religiously, and till today, and those stories doesn't carry any weightage. Those stories doesn't mean anything. Automatically they died because they knew that I was helping people out of my heart, religiously trying to help them out. So I don't see that you should get affected by all this. Let people say what they want. You do your bit. You keep on helping people, and rest, God will guide you.
వావ్. అండ్ చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైతే ఫారెన్లో ఉండిపోయారో వాళ్ళని కూడా తీసుకొచ్చారు. ఈ లాక్డౌన్ టైంలో చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతే ఒక పెద్ద చిట్టానే తయారు చేయొచ్చు, ఒక బిగ్ లిస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది మీరు చేసిన హెల్పింగ్ లిస్ట్ అంతా చెప్పినట్టయితే. సో అప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్స్ని తీసుకొచ్చిన తర్వాత డిడ్ యూ ఇంటరాక్ట్ విత్ దెమ్? నార్మల్గా అందరితో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యారు కదా. సో
yes, they are almost 4,000 students stuck in Kyrgyzstan, and we wanted to get almost 50. We got almost 1,500 back to India, but they are in Kyrgyzstan, and it's not easy to get them back. And you need to interact with them. I used to have those Zoom calls with them to assure them, to make them feel secure that don't worry, I am trying to get you back to your families. Their parents, their friends, their sisters, brothers used to be on that call. Please help us come back to our country. And when you speak to them on a Zoom call or personally on a video call, they feel assured, they feel safe, and they know that okay, Sonu is trying and he will get us back. And this is how we got them back. And as we are talking now, there's just a flight that's taking off from Kyrgyzstan to Delhi. So every day we're getting students now. There are requests from Canada, America, Philippines, Uzbekistan, Moscow, all these places also we're getting students into country.
Yes, whoever the people took help from you, it's been like a big family members to you right now. How you felt about it?
Seriously, I remember there were many students from Andhra, Telangana, and they said, sir, we loved your movies and, please get us back to our homes. So we got a flight to Vizag day before yesterday. And I feel now I have families in every state. So if I go to UP, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra, everywhere, I have this family there who will shower all the love on me, and I really look forward to meeting all of them.
ఎస్ అలాగే ప్రవాసీ రోజ్గార్ పేరుతో ఒక కొత్త యాప్ కూడా తీసుకొచ్చారని విన్నాం సోను సూద్ గారు దాని గురించి చెప్పండి ప్లీజ్
Pravasi, when I was sending back to their families, I used to ask them, when are you going to come back? And everyone used to say that, sir, whenever we get a job, we will come back or we'll try to do something there. So then I started working on this platform, which is called Pravasi Rozgar, in which we will create jobs for them. Someone sitting in Andhra or Telangana, he wants to come and work in Punjab or Maharashtra or any part of the country. So we will try to, get him to the place he wants. We have got a lot of corporates, lot of schools, almost 10,000 schools who will teach all these people. If someone is a carpenter, he wants to upskill his labor. If he knows how to make a table, but he doesn't know how to make a chair. So we'll teach him how to make a chair. We'll teach people if they want to get into stitching or computers or anything. We'll teach them, we'll counsel them, and then we'll get a placement to whichever state or city they want to go to. So we made this Pravasi Rozgar, in which the employer and the employed both will be on the same platform, and we will map them together to come together and get the right kind of job that they want.
ఓకే ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే అవకాశం ఉంది ప్రవాస్ రోజ్గారి when it will be start approximately
Pravasi Rozgar has already started.
Okay.
It's already a toll-free number. You just have to log in or just a call. Then our person will call you and we take all the details and what kind of job you want and which state you want, and then we'll try to connect to the right person.
ఓకే రైట్ అలాగే కేరళలో స్టక్ అయిపోయినటువంటి ప్రశాంత్ కిషోర్ని కూడా తీసుకొచ్చి మళ్ళీ తన నేటివ్లో వదిలిపెట్టారు సో దానికి కృతజ్ఞతగా ప్రశాంత్ అనే అబ్బాయి వెల్డింగ్ షాప్కి సోను సూద్ గారు పేరు పెట్టుకున్నారు ఆయనకు తెలుసు బట్ ప్రేక్షకులకు తెలియాలని నేను చెప్తున్నాను సో హౌ యూ ఫెల్ట్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ సార్ అసలు ఎలా అనిపించింది ఆ టైంలో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ లైక్ గోల్డెన్ మెమరీస్ కదా
he is from a place called Kendrapada in Odisha, and they were stuck in Cochin with almost 170 girls in the stitching factory and 10 boys. So I got them, flew in a private charter to their home, and when they reached back to their house, so he wanted to open a shop. So he called me. So he said, I want to name my shop as Sonu Sood Welding Workshop. Can I do that? So I said, please go ahead. And I'll tell you, I've done so many brands, I've done so many movies. But that was one of the most special endorsements, special brand that I did, which is called Sonu Sood Welding Workshop in Odisha. So because it's purely out of love.
Yes, just help చేయడం మాత్రమే కాదు యు బీన్ లైక్ అ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ టు ఆల్ ది యూత్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ యూత్ టు ఆల్ ద పీపుల్ ఇన్ తెలుగు స్టేట్స్ సో ఎనీ మెసేజ్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ సైడ్ సార్
I just want to tell everyone that it's not the time when we should blame our politicians or leaders that we gave them votes. They are not doing anything. It's time to do your bit. You act as a politician. You act as a social worker. You as an individual try to help others. Try to support someone in the education. Try to support someone in medical aid. Try to help some migrant get a job or any kind of thing that you can do it. When the whole country will think like that, you will see the society will be different. We will be a better place to live in. So I would say, come out, help others, and make this world a better place to live in.
ఎస్ ఎస్ అలాగే ఇప్పుడు సోను సూద్ కాదు సోనా సూద్ అంటున్నారు 24 క్యారెట్స్ సోనా యూర్ అని పీపుల్ ఆర్ ప్రైజింగ్ యూ ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది
Thank you so much. I think it's all the love. I've been getting calls from a lot of my friends all over. And they feel that they are proud that they know me, but I would say it's their wishes and wishes of our parents who guide us to do everything that we do in our lives.
Yes, అలాగే ఒక 7 floors హోటల్ని కరోనా పేషెంట్స్కి ప్రస్తుతం ట్రీట్మెంట్ కోసం వాడుకోవచ్చు అని చెప్పేసి యూ బీన్ గివెన్ యువర్ హోటల్ ఆల్సో సో ప్లీజ్ టెల్ us about that incident, sir.
I have a hotel in Juhu. And when the whole corona thing started, there was a lot of problem with the doctors and nurses. People were not letting them enter the building. They were saying, you're infected, you will create infection in the building. So they were ill-treating all these doctors. So then I thought, I have an hotel which I'll give to all the doctors and paramedical staff and nurses so that they can come, stay, eat, get fresh, and again go back to the hospitals. So that message did the wonder. When they all got a place to stay, a lot of people got inspired and they felt that these doctors are like demigods for us, and because of them we are able to survive. So then a lot of people came front and they started giving their places for quarantine, for all these, to helping these doctors. So I think it was a very important message to give to everyone in the society.
Yes. If anyone asks you like who's your inspiration అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
I would say my inspiration is my mom, and my mom, she was a professor, and she used to teach students a lot, without charging any money. My dad, who always used to have these free meals every week, and we grew up with those values. And I think because of that only, maybe those values are embedded in our souls, and we are able to help others.
Yes. When we would like to give some social service, we should have our family support too. So how was your family support nowadays?
They are very supportive. My wife, my kids, they know that when I go out for 15 hours, 16 hours on the roads, on railway platforms, on buses, so they're high infected zones, but they are very supportive. They tell me that just go do something good for them. They need you, and I think that's a kind of support that you need from your family to move ahead in life.
Yes. Let's turn to the entertainment side, Sonu Sood sir. చాలా అన్ని హెల్పింగ్ సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్తో ఇబ్బంది పెట్టను. మీరు చేసిన హెల్ప్ అందరికీ తెలుసు. యు ఆర్ లైక్ అవర్ అస్లీ హీరో, యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్ ఎర్లియర్. సో ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ విషయానికి వస్తే ఇప్పటివరకు తెలుగులో చాలా ఫిల్మ్స్ చేశారు. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ ఫిల్మ్ అంటే తెలుగులో ఏం చెప్తారు?
I love Telugu cinema, and I have 2 releases coming up. One is with Srinivas Sinu. I did a film with him called Kandiriga, and Belanganda Suresh is a producer, and that's part 2 we are doing, like Kandiriga 2. It's a comedy movie that I'm doing now, and then there's a film with Chiranjeevi Garu. Shiva sir is the director. It's called Acharya. So that we were shooting just before the lockdown, and maybe when the lockdown ends, so I'll come and report back on the sets.
Wow, we are also eagerly waiting. And which is your favorite role ఇప్పటివరకు చేసిన వాటిలో?
Sorry?
Which is your favorite role in Telugu films till now? Whatever the films you did.
Of course, I have 3. One of my favorite one is Arundhati.
Wow.
One is July, and one is Ek Niranjan.
ఎస్ అరుంధతిలో చూసినప్పుడు చాలా భయంగా అనిపించింది, బట్ ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది దేవుడితో పోలుస్తున్నారు మిమ్మల్ని. మీన్స్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ప్రైజింగ్ యూ లైక్ ఎ గాడ్. ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది అక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు జర్నీ?
I think it's very special. The kind of love that I got from Telugu audience is immense. The way they accepted my role in Arundhati was very nice. And when in all these years I've left many Hindi movies to do Telugu films, it's only because of the love that I got from Telugu audience, and I keep on doing that. And I promise you that Telugu industry will always be my favorite because I learned a lot from the Telugu industry.
ఎస్. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వెళ్తున్నాను. సో మీరు హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎయిదర్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ ఆర్ హిందీ ఇండస్ట్రీ, ఇంకా ఎవరైనా హీరోస్ కానీ ఎనీ అదర్ ఆర్టిస్టులు కానీ, లేకపోతే మేము కూడా హెల్ప్ చేస్తాం, మేము కూడా ఒక పార్ట్ అవుతామని ఎవరైనా వచ్చారా అసలు? డిడ్ దే కాంటాక్ట్ యూ?
No, actually, they congratulated me. They called me and they said you're doing very good, and we are really proud of you that you are we are from the industry where Sonu Sood is a part of our industry. So they felt very proud, and they congratulated me for the good work that I'm doing, and they are also doing their own bit in their way, in their zones. But all I say is, I think the wishes is that's what I need, and just if they pray that I keep on doing good work, that's what I need.
ఎస్. అండ్ మూవీస్ విషయానికి వస్తే ఇప్పుడు రిలీజెస్ ఎప్పుడు ఉంటాయో తెలీదు, మూవీస్ ఎప్పుడు రిలీజ్ అవుతాయో తెలీదు. సో ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది అంటే పర్టికులర్ మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీ మీద వాట్స్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్? ఎప్పుడు మూవీస్ రిలీజ్ అవుతాయో వి రియలీ డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ కదా. సో వాట్స్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్ ఆన్ ఇట్?
I would say it will take some time for people to get that confidence to go back to the theaters. And obviously, theaters is something which we enjoy going out. We can't. It's always been a part of our life. When we get tired, we go out to the theaters, eat some popcorns. But I feel getting back to that mental state is not going to be easy. It will take some time. But I'm sure entertainment is a part of everyone's life, and we will bounce back. We will come out stronger. And soon you'll see films releasing in the theaters, everyone acting, making some great films, and getting entertainment.
థ్యాంక్స్ అ లాట్ సోను సూద్ జీ, యువర్ లైక్ అవర్ అస్లీ హీరో. మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను, ఎప్పటికీ చెప్తాను. థ్యాంక్స్ అ లాట్ ఫర్ ద హెల్ప్ యూ డిడ్ టిల్ నౌ టు ఆల్ ద నీడీ పీపుల్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఫర్ NTV.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.